everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we would be learning how with 2 to 3 lines of code you can automate your WhatsApp messages. And yeah, let's start. So the prerequisites of this video are nothing. You don't need to know coding to do this. So yeah, anyone can learn this. The second thing is you need to have an IDE installed in your computer. Like you can install the PyCharm or Visual Studio Code is best. Like I'm using Visual Studio Code in this video. You can use PyCharm if you want. The third one is you need to have a pre-installed Python in your system. Like you need to install the Python from official website of Python, and it is completely free. You don't have to worry about the payment or everything about anything payment and anything. So yeah, let's get started. So what you need to search on the internet is installing Python. So yeah, you will first search that. There is a website named as www.python.org. This is the Python's official website. So you don't have to worry about the authenticity of this website. So yeah, we'll click that. And this is the interface of the website. I'll suggest you to download the 3.10 version of Python because that is the latest one and that is better. So yeah, you should download the 3.10 version of Python. It is installing. It would take time according to your internet speed. Like mine is almost done. Like I have already installed that. So yeah, so I've installed my Python file. We'll just open that XE file and try to set the environment. Please ignore my cat's voice. So we are running this XCE file. I'll just cancel all these things and try to show you. So yeah, we are running this XCE file. You will get this type of setup, or you will get this type of notification whenever you open that exe file. I'm really sorry with the pronunciation. I've already installed my Python, so I am getting these type of options. So I'll just go to repair. You'll get different type of interface and you can install that, and yeah, then you would be done with your Python installing. So this is that cat which was making noise. She was asleep and now she is awake. Hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. Her name is Proton.
A few minutes later. One eternity later.
So a repair was successful. So after all those things, you will go to VS Studio and then you will download some extensions. I'll tell you. You need to search Python over here. I've already searched Python, so yeah, that's great. Then yeah, the first extension by IntelliSense, you need to download that. I've already downloaded that, so I'll not install it again, but you need to do that. You need to download that, and you can also download a few more extensions. Like I have downloaded Python Intent, that you'll know the what it exactly does over here. You can read that if you want to know the working of it. And that this is extension pack, Python extension pack. So you can also download this. I have downloaded that. So yeah, and if you wanted to know more about these extensions or what they do, you can check this thing below. They give everything, all information about the packs. And yeah, that's it you have to do for running Python in your Visual Studio Code. So we are done here, so we'll just close these things and create a new file. Let's create a new file and name it as our whatever we can name it. Let's name it as message, or we'll name it as automation. We'll name it as auto.py. You need to use py as an extension whenever you are coding Python in Visual Studio Code. I'll just maximize the size of my fonts. Yeah, now it would be easily visible. And now what you need to do is, in the terminal, you need to install we'll just wait for when the terminal starts. You need to type pip install py what kit. So what is this py what kit? So what is this py what kit, and what are we going to do with by installing this kit? So py what so py what kit is a Python library which with various helpful features. It's easy to use and does not require to do any additional setup. You can see that. So Python has its own libraries, and you need to install them, and with that you can use a lot of or access a lot of functions of Python. So yeah, this is what py-what-kit is. This is an example of Python's library, and it has a lot of functions in it. And it by installing py-what-kit, we would be accessing those functions. So how to install that py-what-kit is, you need to just write these three words in the terminal, that is pip install py-what-kit. So yeah, I'll just copy it to clipboard, and I guess we have already written it over here, so we don't have to do anything and just enter. And this would take a time to install, like, yeah. So you can see that I've already installed py-what-kit. So yeah, it is not showing me a successful message. So you can install it in your, and yeah, after that, after all these things, you need to write here import py whatget, and then in the next line you need to write py whatget dot send what message and parenthesis. And now you can see here you need to write a phone number, and then a message, and then time in hour, and then in minute. You can see, you can read it over here. And I'll just write a number. Like, you need to first specify the country code whenever writing it. Yeah, 91. And yeah, then a number. I'll not write the number, obvious reasons. And you need to give a comma after that, and then the message as a string you need to pass. Like, I need to pass that person message as hello. And then what time you need to pass the message, you have to specify, like hour and then minutes. Like right now it is 16:27, that 26, that is 4 o'clock. Right now it is, right now the time is 16:26, 16 hours 26 minutes. So I would just write here as 16 hours and 28, let's just say the 28. And then I'll change this number. I'll give the authentic number and then run this code. So yeah, so I'm running this code, giving a authentic number to it, and you can see that it is written over here. In 32 seconds WhatsApp will open, and after 15 seconds message will be delivered. So we'll just wait for the message to be delivered. Let's just open our browser. So we are at our channels page on the browser. So we'll wait. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel and see the videos what I have this series going on where I teach basics of C programming. And yeah, this is opening by itself. I have not done anything. WhatsApp is opening by itself. And you can see that I have not written anything, and there it is, hello. And it said that after 15 seconds it would be delivered. So yeah, it has delivered the message on its own at 4:30. You can see that. And yeah, this is how it works. So now we have done how you have so now you know how to automate messages in WhatsApp. So we'll just delete this much thing. And there are a lot of things you can do with py.kit. There are functions like you can run a YouTube video with py.kit. So how you can do that? Type is py.kit dot play on yt, and you'll give this parenthesis. So after giving these parentheses, what you need to do is write either the name of the YouTube video you want to play, the particular, you need to specify the video title, mm, when you need to print the particular video. But if you want to print a random video of that particular channel, so you need to write the channel's name. So let's just give write our channel name in the double inverted commas, like we'll write Radhika Bhoyar. And I'll just close the browser so that you can know that I'm not doing anything. So yeah, I have written this, and we'll just run the program, and I'm not doing anything now. It is happening by its own. So it will open the browser by itself. Yeah, it is opening the browser by itself. And my last video, we are muting this thing. And yeah, this is how py.kit works. And yeah, that's how py.kit works. And py.kit can be also used to py.kit can also be used to search anything on the internet. Like I'll just comment this thing second line out, and we'll go to the third line. So to search something on the internet through py.kit, what you need to do is you just need to write the same thing, like py.kit dot search search. After writing search, you need to apply these parentheses again, and you'll give the input as string. And let's search dogs. Like I love dog animals, so we'll just search dogs. And yeah, we'll run this code. So it is running. I'm not doing anything. I'm not editing or doing something. It will run by itself. It will take some time, and yeah, I'm not doing anything. It is searching everything by its own. We can change this, like if I give it, if it, we would if we change dogs to cats, so it would change search cats also. Oh, written a wrong spelling. I wrote a wrong spelling. Yeah, let's just run this code. It will take time. So it has searched dogs. I'm cats. It has searched cats. So this is how you can search something with Python. This is not that important, but sometimes you need to know certain things. So I'm telling you these. You can search a particular topic also using this py.kit. So this is how you can search and automate your WhatsApp messages, or search something, or play videos on YouTube using Python. So that was it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching till here.